This is why you need to learn these programming languages in 2025. Stay relevant, stay employable, and keep your skills sharp. First up, Python. Simple, versatile, and perfect for beginners and pros alike. It's your go-to for web development, data science, and automation. Next, JavaScript. The backbone of the web. If you're building anything for the internet, you need to know JavaScript. Now don't forget about Rust. Known for safety and performance, Rust is becoming a favorite for systems programming. It's high time you give it a shot. And then there's Go or Golang. Created by Google, it's perfect for concurrent programming and back-end development. Fast, efficient, and gaining popularity. Lastly, SQL. Not the flashiest, but essential for managing databases. With data being the new oil, SQL skills are a must-have. So, there you have it. Python, JavaScript, Rust, Go, and SQL. Master these, and you'll be unstoppable in 2025. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. Happy coding!